Hi folks, it's Switchback. If you like to go camping or backpacking or even hiking, you probably need to carry with you some kind of lighting. This is one of the 10 essentials. So even if you aren't necessarily planning on being out after dark, sometimes darkness sneaks up on us. The first option and the most popular option is a headlamp. And these are super duper portable. They're one of the lightest weight options. You can even put it in a sack to light up your tent. And what's nice is the light beam goes with you. So wherever you're looking, that's where the beam goes. A lot of them have different light level options, a red light option for nighttime so you don't destroy your night vision as you go to the bathroom or whatnot, or as you're creeping up on camp after dark and you don't want to disturb other people. The white light can blind someone if you're looking at them. But it is nice that it's hands-free. The next option is a lantern, and there are a variety of sizes of them. This one I bought for backpacking, believe it or not, about 7 years ago, but it has a nice little clip on it so I can attach it inside of my tent. But one of the nice things with the lantern is it's more diffuse lighting. You can hang it up in a tree, or you can set it in the middle of your table, and you can kind of get illumination everywhere. These usually have different levels of light as well, but they're a little bulky for backpacking. Your next option is a flashlight, and there are, again, a variety of these. Some little teeny tiny ones like these. These aren't particularly bright. Or you can get something a little bit more turbo, which is pretty prohibitive for backpacking. But they can be really nice to just carry in your pocket and have something extra in addition to a headlamp too. Another option is tent lights, which are really nice for ambiance. They can be used for a nightlight if you have someone who has a hard time with the dark. The ones that I have different levels, and they're pretty small and lightweight, but there are a variety of them out on the market. If you're thinking about lighting options for outside, you might even be thinking about sleeping outside. And if that's something that has scared you and you're not sure what to do to kind of get over that hump, I have a bunch of strategies in this video right up here. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, I'm very grateful. I will look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.